out.
Hey guys, we're doing another slime video, but I just ruined my Nickelodeon slime, so we did this, but the last time I was playing with slime, I just keep on dropping on the floor, and this is what it looks like. So I lost those jars, but my dad found them, so here's the bag for it. Yeah, it came with
Daddy.
jars, but yeah.
Shh.
I'm just doing a video today, but while I was out there and I made a person out there, last time while I was there with my mom, I saw Winkle under a dresser over there. Under the big giant one, but yeah, I just made a little creepy figure over there with a balloon and blocks, slime blocks.
Woo.
Again, that's not funny. Is it not? Sorry. So, we're just gonna make a video about this with Janine and her ghost and Wicked Rally. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I just love it. I never had Wicked Rally before. I was going, Wicked Rally to mom all the time, and she, it's in the mail, it's in the mail. 2 times, and then, yeah, it just disappeared out of nowhere over there. Weird. But yeah, this is what the face looks like when you put that together. This is a bicycle. Here you can see. See? It's a bicycle. Yeah. It came with a figure for it, and it has 2 stands, but one can go on. There's like a hole right there, and when you put the bike on, you sit him right there, and then it looks like he's driving. But you can go on pizza delivery or the bicycle man or the home man who puts you back home. Yeah, I love him. So, do you want me to do slime video now? You do? Okay, let's just start on it. Oh, sorry I was talking to you, but yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, we're just gonna take this one. We're gonna put a little bit in his mouth, and just shut it and open it up on Janine. But I just got this Easter basket from someone, and then I just can put the slime in there and just dunk it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a little bit for this guy. Dunk it in his mouth. It just looks like that. Okay, let's do his turn. This slime in. Oh yeah. Now it's time for him to slime him. Let's just put a little line. Let's fill it up in the little line. We squeeze it, that's what it looks like. It's exploding. Yeah, cool. Let's see what it looks like when he goes on a bike. That's what it looks like when he looks good. Yeah. You took a picture? You didn't? This guy turned to a bike, and this guy turned back to normal, and then he can just ride the bicycle. Let's try, I just do it that way. I just put him on that way because it just looked weird. I just saw you took a picture because I saw the camera light up. I'm just joking. That's not good. Okay. Trying to get on him. This is just hard. It's like hard rock and thing. It's like saying hard rock. Hard rock. I don't know what you're saying. This is what it looks like now. Pizza delivery coming. You want some pizza? Okay, pizza coming. Ooh, ooh. Oh no, it's Wicked Rally. I can't move it under there, so I just do this. And attach it to the right part. Bleh. Would you see us in this out? It might be scary one here. This was my slime video. That's completed in the game. And we can just stand this little sweet lady goes right there. And there, and then put him right there. Like he's gooping on him. Put that right there. Freak. Yeah, that looks scary. Thanks for our channel. I'll see you later on my channel. And this was my new video. I see you later. Bye. Bye. I forgot.